Dear students, today we will learn about clothes that are also known as our protector. Early humans had no idea of clothes. They used to cover their bodies with leaves of trees or animal skins. Later, the humans learned about the clothes, and today we wear different types of clothes. The question is arises, why we wear clothes? We wear clothes because they make us look smart. Clothes protect us from the heat of sun, cold, rain, dust, and insect bite. Clothes also help us to identify the job of a person like doctor, lawyer, nurse, postman, policeman, etc. Now you have to identify these persons. You can see the first one is a doctor, next a lawyer, and next one a postman, next a policeman, and a student. We can easily recognize them from their uniforms. So the clothes also help us to identify the person from their clothes. Now, next is, do we wear one type of clothes for the whole year? No, we do not wear only one type of clothes for the whole year. We wear different types of clothes in different seasons. During winter, we wear woolen clothes because they keep us warm. In summer, we wear cotton clothes. They absorb the water. And if it is rain, we wear raincoats over our clothes and it protects us from rain. Next, how clothes are made? Clothes are made from various types of cloth materials. The fabrics are made by weaving the fibers. Fibers are long and fine threads. There are two types of fibers, natural fibers and synthetic fibers. Natural fibers are obtained from natural sources like plants and animals, and synthetic fibers are made from chemicals, and these are human made, these are man made. We made the synthetic fibers. The examples of natural fiber are cotton, wool, and silk. We get cotton from cotton plant. We get wool from sheep, that is an animal, and we get silk from silkworm, that is also animal. So natural fibers are obtained from natural sources like plants and animals. Synthetic fibers, these are made by man, and the examples are nylon, polyesters, and rayon. These are some examples. The clothes made up of synthetic fibers are generally wrinkle free. Some are waterproof and some dry very quickly. Synthetic fibers are stronger than the natural fibers. Now, we wear clothes, but we should have to take care of them also. We can keep our clothes in good condition by taking proper care of them. So, what we have to do for them? We should always use a good quality of soap and detergent. We should wash, dry, and iron the clothes properly. We should wash woolen clothes with liquid detergents made specially for woolen clothes. We should give delicate and expensive woolen and silk clothes for dry cleaning. We should wrap silk and woolen clothes in a cotton cloth and then store them with dried neem leaves or naphthalene balls to protect them from insects like moth and silverfish. These insects harm the clothes, so we have to take care of our clothes from them, and we can keep our clothes with dried neem leaves. We can take care of our clothes very uh, in very good manners. So students, you have learnt how we wear clothes, why we wear clothes, and how clothes are made. Now solve your worksheet. Thank you.